How to open a savings account with Ally Bank. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how you can open up a savings account with Ally Bank. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. Now you can tap on the first link, ally.com, to simply head over to their official website. Once landed on this page, you will find the big login button at the top right corner of your screen. You just want to head over there, or if you are new, you can just tap on open account. Now just tap on got it and then start your process to open up your check-ins savings account with Ally Bank. Now you can tap on open new account right here. You'll be taken to the sign up page. Here you're gonna have to provide some of your important details to open up your bank. As you can see here, it's saying preparing your application. Select what kind of account you want to have. So if it's savings, just go ahead and select an option. If you already have an Ally login, you can continue on with that, or if you're new, choose I don't have Ally login. Then create an account for savings. Make sure it's checked on the savings option. Not on money market, not on certificates deposits, just on saving. Now select the type of account. I'll just continue on with individual. Enter the amount and then tap on add this account. If you want to make any edits, you can just tap on edit, but I'll just go and click on next step. Here you can select if you're a US citizen or not. Tap and continue. Now all you have to do is fill out all of these details with your first name, last name, your suffix, date of birth, social security number, mother's maiden name, occupation, and then country of citizenship. Now once you enter all of these details, you have to fill out your contact information like your email, mobile number, home address, and your address line along with your zip code. Now if your mailing address is same as your home address, tap on yes and then tap on next. And after they review your application, you should be able to open up a savings account with Ally Bank. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.